After leaving Chicago, my friend Hansen and I drove south to Champaign, Illinois to visit our friend Nina and spend the 4th of July weekend with her family. In addition to sparklers and fireworks, we spent a little time exploring the local Amish shops and restaurants. And we spent one day together visiting Clinton Lake State Recreation Area. After leaving Illinois, we drove west through Iowa, stopping in Iowa City to visit another friend. I enjoyed the rolling green landscapes of Iowa, dotted with enormous humbling wind turbines. Welcome to Omaha. Me and my friend Hansen have been driving 7 hours. We wanted to go to this steak place called Gorat's, which is really famous because it is a favorite steak place of Warren Buffett, but it's closed right now. We're gonna try and get lunch tomorrow before I fly out. So we've come to get a Omaha original food, which is a runza. They have this fast food chain called Runza, and it consists of different items, including the Runza sandwich, which is a yeasty roll with beef, cabbage, sauerkraut, and cheese. It smells really good. It kind of reminds me of a Philly cheesesteak. It is pretty good. I read online it's sort of a similar flavor to a pierogi, which is true. It does taste like a pierogi. I like it. I would definitely recommend trying it if you ever come to Omaha. Got up early this morning and we're gonna see what it's like around town, starting with this beautiful Botanical Gardens. That seems like a very beautiful and popular place to go. It looks really beautiful from the outside. It's just like a huge greenhouse, and I'm really excited to see inside. The Lauritzen Gardens and Kenefick Park are more than just this huge greenhouse. The property was actually quite large with different gardens. We opted to take the tram tour for an additional $5 that stopped at the different garden areas. have dinner at Gordo Steakhouse, but it was closed because of the 4th of July holiday, but we were able to snag a lunchtime reservation. We're like the first people here, and I didn't really have breakfast, so I'm really excited to have a nice big juicy steak, Omaha style. This steakhouse seems to embrace its claim to fame. There is a small closet-sized room that is reserved for Warren Buffett to hold private dinner meetings in. It was so much smaller than I expected it to be. The steak itself was not the best I've ever had, but the experience was definitely worth it. I hope you've enjoyed exploring some of the Midwest and Omaha with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell to see more of my adventures.